One of the most visited tourist destinations in the Philippines is Puerto Galera. So my friends and I decided to go here before 2019 ends. We traveled to Batangas Port from Manila for about 2 hours. Then we rode a Hurrah to Puerto Galera for more than an hour. Upon arriving, we went straight to do a city tour. First stop, TAMARAW Falls, a beautiful falls just alongside the road. Then we stopped by at the Muel Bay View.
We're here at Puerto Galera. We're doing a
vlog for us. Everyone else, para magkaroon ng
Hindi!
content.
Ano ginagawa natin today?
We're doing a city tour.
Kamusta kayo dyan?
Okay naman sa city to.
Si Hello. Ngayon ayun,
Hindi nahihingi na sa city to.
hindi kinaya yung pressure. Na-peer pressure siya eh.
Peer pressure.
Kailangan daw kasi may entry eh. Si Ayan kasi, ayaw rin pakabo.
Nahilo na yung taga-picture-picture pa rin.
True.
We also enjoyed the view in Virgin Island.
Dito kami sa Virgin. We're here at Virgin Island. Waiting for our turn to take a picture.
Then we went to Immaculate Conception Parish. After that, we went to Mangyan Village where you can see different arts and crafts product made from nito. And of course, before the day ends, we wouldn't miss the chance to see the well-known white beach in the province. The next day, it's our island hopping tour. We went to an underwater cave. And the most exciting thing we did was the snorkeling. It's a different kind of snorkeling for me because the boat will actually move. You need to hold on to it and it will drag you around the coral garden. So a lot of fishes and beautiful corals. And we also saw a sea turtle. Then we went to another side to see a bunch of giant clams. Indeed, it was a great weekend. Till next time on Trip ni Mariane.